Authorize NetCIM integration is a secure and reliable way to manage customer payment information and process transactions. To integrate Authorize NetCIM into your system, follow these steps. First, create an Authorize Net account and obtain your API login ID and transaction key. These credentials are required to access the Authorize Net API. Next, decide which programming language you will use for the integration, such as Java, PHP, or Python. Step 1. Set up your development environment. Install the required libraries and SDKs for your chosen programming language. For example, if you are using PHP, you will need to install the Authorize Net PHP SDK. Step 2. Create a customer profile. Use the Authorize Net API to create a customer profile, which will store the customer's payment information. You will need to provide the customer's name, email address, and payment method, such as a credit card or bank account. Step 3. Create a payment profile. Once the customer profile is created, you can create a payment profile, which will store the customer's payment information. You will need to provide the payment method, such as a credit card or bank account, and the billing address. Step 4. Generate a token. After creating the customer and payment profiles, you will need to generate a token, which will be used to process transactions. The token will be returned in the response from the Authorize Net API. Step 5. Process a transaction. To process a transaction, you will need to use the token generated in the previous step. You will also need to provide the amount of the transaction and any other relevant information, such as the invoice number or description. Best practices for Authorize NetCIM integration include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, to protect sensitive customer information. You should also validate user input to prevent errors and exceptions. Additionally, you should implement error handling to handle any exceptions that may occur during the integration process. In conclusion, Authorize NetCIM integration is a secure and reliable way to manage customer payment information and process transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a successful integration and provide a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers.